Hello friends, welcome to Information Center. I want to tell you general rules of child care leave in Indian Railway. A woman railway servant having minor children below the age of 18 years and offspring of any age in case of disabled children may be granted child care leave by an authority competent to grant leave for a maximum period of 2 years, 730 days during the entire service for taking care of up to 2 children, whether for rearing or to look after any of their needs like examination, sickness, extras. During the period of child care leave, she shall be paid leave salary equal to the pay down immediately before proceeding on leave. Child care leave may be combined with leave of any other kind. Notwithstanding the requirement of production of medical certificate contained in Rule 527 or Sub-Rule 1st 2nd of Rule 528, leave of the kind due and admissible, including commuted leave not exceeding 60 days and leave not due, up to a maximum of 1 year, if applied for, be granted in continuation with child care leave granted under Sub-Rule 1st. Child care leave shall not be granted in more than 3 spells in a calendar year, with each spell of child care leave being not less than 5 days. Child care leave shall be admissible for the 2 eldest surviving children only. Child care leave cannot be demanded as a matter of right. Under no circumstance can any employee proceed on child care leave without prior proper approval of the leave by the leave sanctioning authority. The child care leave is to be treated like leave on average pay and sanctioned as such. Child care leave should not ordinarily be granted during the provision period except in case of certain extreme situations where the leave sanctioning authority is fully satisfied about the need of child care leave to the provisioner. It may also be ensured that the period for which this leave is sanctioned during provision is minimal. Child care leave shall not be debited against the leave account. Note 1. The leave account for child care leave shall be maintained in the following format and shall be kept along with the service book of the female railway servant concerned. Note 2. Disabled child having a minimum disability of 40% is elaborated in the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment Notification number 16/1897 NII dated 1/6/2001 documents relating to the handicap and specified in the above said notification dated 1/6/2001 as well as a certificate from the railway servant regarding dependency of the child on the railway servant would have to be submitted by the female railway employees. The child care leave would be permitted to female railway employees only if the child is dependent on her. Note 3. The benefit of encashment of leave on average pay admissible in terms of Rule 540A cannot be available during child care leave, as child care leave is granted for the specific purpose of taking care of a minor child for rearing or for looking after any other needs of the child during examination, sickness, extras. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe Information Center and like and share this video. Thank you.